I just want to give you a video on ticker MULN. I think this is by far the worst stock in the whole market right now. I mean, I don't even know how this thing is still listed. They're literally doing another reverse split, which is insane, 1 for 60. And I just want to do an update on it and just to show you guys, one, how this system literally can avoid trash stocks like this if you follow it to a T, all right? So we know ticker MULN, they're doing a 1 for 60. They've been in a downtrend for quite some time, and every time they make a little big move up, it will go to the EMA 20. We know that's for a fact. This thing, it can make some good pumps if you wait for my system to alert it, and I'll show you guys the best entries that you can get, even on the trashiest stocks out there. Like when you see price come here and break through this lower Keltner channel, and you have this time distance, which is the most important from this EMA 5, you have a reaction move up that you can get a nice solid pump. This one went up 150%. But when I'm looking at stock MULN, the first thing I do notice is, yeah, we have not touched this EMA 20 in quite some time. The last time we touched the 20, which we know we'll come back to it, is 11.29. It's 12.29, 129. So we're coming into 3 months. So it's probably due for that EMA 20. But I always tell everyone, I do not necessarily like just playing to the EMA 20, even though it's due for it, because the EMA 20 is very fickle. It's hard. It can be very stubborn, especially with trash companies like this. I just don't want to even promote this one, to be honest. And no, the only time I would just maybe take a shot at it by myself is going to be at this lower Keltner channel. That's where price is really to the extreme oversold territory, and then I need EMA 5 time distance. I can show you many, many, many times where MULN has hit this and we made massive pumps. And you know what? Matter of fact, let me show you just so you can understand, like, this, this system works on any strategy or any company, right? It doesn't matter how, I know MULN is a trash company, but when we had this EMA 5 time distance, because we know we're going to touch the EMA 5 to the very least, and to that was a 20% move up. And so when price comes to this lower Keltner channel, you tend to have that big move up. And this was a monster move, right? We went all the way from here to there. And then let me see if I can find another couple times so you guys can be reassured and be like, yeah, it really does work. Price gets really close pumps. I would have taken that though because I want a clear touch and I want time distance from the EMA 5. I took this one way back. I remember clearly as, look at this. You see all this EMA 5 time distance? And you might ask, well, what is a good amount of EMA 5? I like 7 daily candles. And so once I at least see that and then I get a touch, then I'll start taking it. Like right in here, you can clearly see we haven't touched it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't mean I take it right here. We don't have the Keltner channel. Once we get a clear pierce and I buy it, always at the end of the day. And that's why we get this massive move up here, 31%. Comes back down, you buy it end of the day as it touched, and then you get a nice massive move up. Comes back down, and then it makes this big move up to the 20. So this is how I make conservative gains. This is how I make really nice profits doing this simple strategy. And if you bought it right in here, then you did not follow my strategy. As right in here, we only have 1 day from the EMA 5. Right in here, we have a couple, you see how we have a couple, and then it comes back up to a couple, it comes down, and then it goes up to the 10. The EMA 5 and 10 are the best targets to go because they're more consistent, they hit often, and you can oftentimes say, well, is it even worth the risk? To the 5 is 18%, 10 is 30%. Not too bad. So once I get that EMA 5 time distance, then we can get to that price target. MULN is a trash company. I get a lot of people asking, should I buy MULN? Should I buy MULN? No. Do not buy this company unless it meets the extreme oversold territories for a massive dead cat bounce. All right. I don't know how this company is listed. They've been doing RS for who knows how long, and I'm pretty sure there was a cap to it, but I guess they just keep on doing it, right? So MULN Automotive delays quarterly report finding. MULN, reverse stock split is February 18th. So they got a lot of bad things going on here. Or follow on electric vehicle order from leading California universities. So they sell 5 MULN 1 class EV cargo to 2 California universities. It does have its pumps. Everything is going to have its pumps if you do strictly this system. So I'm not, it does have a lot of volume, which is probably mostly sell volume. I mean, you got some green volume in here, so which is, it's a retail trader's favorite stock. As a lot of people like this stock for some reason, as it's a bottomless pit. But if you lost money on this stock, don't feel bad. Try to do You could try to use this system. I'm telling you, you will make bank doing this. When I've been trading bottom trend reversals, where if I wait for price to come back to, I played this thing many times and won on it. But I also lose when I don't follow my system. So definitely follow the system. I'm telling you, you'll make a lot of money for doing bottom trend reversals with stocks that are in a downtrend. Easiest way to say is the EMA 20 at the top. Well, if it is, and it's above price, then every pump's going to get shorted. Do not get into that method of be like, oh, it's going to go to the moon once you start seeing this going up. Because you might be like, oh, Mullen's up 18%. Now's the time to get in. You get in, it's right here at the EMA 10 and 5, and it rejects big time, does a reverse split, and then bam, your whole count's gone, right? It's just hard to recover from that. The next thing I look at is the KDJ. You see how this KDJ value is way up in here? I need this thing under 10. I need this thing under, like right here when it got really low, it started pumping. I need it under 10. It's right now at 23. So let's look for that. I'll give you guys, I'll keep you guys updated on it. It's just, to me, it's not really a stock I like to get into, and I just want to help people that has been in this stock to be like, hey, there is hope. I've transformed a lot of traders doing this simple system that anybody can do. And then I also have the inverse of once I see candles above the EMAs, I can trade an uptrend. Mullen has probably hasn't really done that kind of style for me, or I wouldn't even trade this for an uptrend. But if you guys want to learn more and you guys want to know a system that works, a system that can make you bank, a system that can give you guys confidence in seeing the chart and be like, yes, this looks like a safe area, right? And instead of just guessing, be like, Mullen's down 26%, it's down 12, might be a good buy now, right? If you use all this methods in here, and there's so much more to talk about, you're going to have to watch the education videos if you come in the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. You're not going to want to miss this, guys. I'm giving you guys an offer that you cannot resist. A lifetime discount for this promotional video because I know a lot of people are hurting and won't. I know a lot of people are struggling. If you guys want to join, click the day trade alerts right here, and for this promotional video you get everything discounted for a premium price. It will never go up in value for 12 bucks a month. As long as you're in this system, as long as you're in the Discord and you stay a member, you get that lifetime discount for the new members. If you go away, we are going to up the price here because I want a lot of serious traders here, and we're growing rapidly fast using this system. There is no secret sauce in trading, but I will say this system right here has made me a full-time trader. I'm living proof. You can see the profits every day in the swing trade, in the alerts. Day trade, I highly recommend trying my day trading strategy. It's a little more advanced, but I promise you, I'm going to get you to that next level. Free one-on-one coaching if you just really can't understand it. Live streams, which is not a lot of what a lot of people do. And for this price right here, 12 bucks a month, it's just a no-brainer. All right, you get access to trade over my shoulder whenever you need it, whenever you want, and what else more could you ask for, guys? And then an awesome community. All right, guys, I'm going to keep it very simple. This is my analysis on Mullen. A lot of people want me to show you the chart. This is the chart. It does not meet my buy criteria. There's always a stock that will meet my buy criteria, so be patient. And we've called some massive runners doing this system, right? For example, CYN, we made massive money right here. I alerted this at 5 cents, went all the way up here to the 30-cent mark, right, almost. And you can see when price hits this lower band, price jumps up. NGOL, same thing type of pattern. Price hits this lower band. What happened? Massive time distance. It went way up. We get in early before the crowd using this system. And you can see lots of things doing this. FTEL, another massive curl coming in at the bottom. We're not buying tickers like Mullen that are not meeting the system. Where every other retail trader gets in, we get in when price is depressing, and we get in at those levels of interest. All right, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a like, subscribe, comment. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is your last chance. Click the link down below. Subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And if you have an Android, you're going to have to use your computer to subscribe to that way. I want to make this nice and simple and short. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the Discord if you need anything. Peace out.